Welcome back, my dear students of class 6. My dear student, today you are going to learn about the chapter 2, and that is the components of food. So this chapter, components of food, will be able to provide the complete knowledge of the different components of the food. My dear students, as you know, as you are looking here, the different types of the dishes, different types of the plants, different types of the food item are here that you are looking. And here in this here in this visual, you are looking so many types of the food, so many types of the dishes that you are going to eat. And you must know about the components, that what kind of components that you will be able to eat in the in your dishes, in your food. So dear students, the components are the components are carbohydrate, protein. These are the proteins. Protein provided materials which provide you protein, and protein is for the bodybuilding. And my dear student, carbohydrate which will be able to provide you the energy. So these are the food groups. Food groups means building food, proteins, that is that you will get from the pulses. Protective food, that is the minerals and vitamins, and that you will find from the fruit and vegetables. And energy providing food, that is the carbohydrate. So my dear students, in this visual you are looking so many things related to the components of the food. Dear students, come to the next visual, and by that visual you will be able to learn other things that is related with the chapter component of the food. My dear student, in this visual you are looking here so many food items: eggs, fishes, fruits, and this broccoli, papaya, food grains, germinating seed, cooking potato. These are the methods for cooking potato. Here we are looking the bread, butter, slice, beans, and so many food items are there. Here you are looking here in a pyramid, so many types of food. So the components of the food, the constitution of your food must be like this pyramid. This pyramid is showing that the main food is carbohydrate that provide energy, that should be taken in the large amount. And secondly, the vitamins has to be taken in second step, that is in the second large amount. And third large amount, that is protein, that is required. And fourth large amount, that is fat, that is also required. So dear student, you must know that how to test the presence of the nutrients of food. So there are several activities that you will do in the classroom as a activity. But yes, here you are looking the some food items like chicken, fish, eggs, meat, pulses. These materials provide you proteins. These materials provide you protein and vitamins, and these materials are required to provide you the complete food. My dear students, come to the next visual, by which you will be able to learn that the different components of the foods are carbohydrate, fat, proteins, and vitamins and minerals. So here you are looking a bread, rice, potato, beans, cereals, pasta, banana, some fruits are there, and milk, fish, and so many things are there that you are looking in this visual. And my dear students, this is the complete vegetarian thali. This complete vegetarian thali provides you the balanced diet, balanced food for your survival and good health. So dear students, the component of the food that has to be shown, that is shown in the pyramid, this type of pyramid shows that the larger contribution has to be of carbohydrate, then vitamins, then protein, and lastly at fat. So dear students, these are the some visuals by which you will be able to learn the different components of the food, and by the learning of these you will be able to explain the things which you will be asked. Dear student, these and this one, this is the veg thali. So you have to take care of yourself. Dear students, here another visual is available, that is for your learning, and this visual is again showing the different types of the collections of the different seeds, different food items, milk, and fruits. After that, you are looking here so many things like this egg, this, and this. So you will be able to learn, my dear student, with the help of these visuals. So again, have a review of these visuals so that you can learn by this video. So these are the best component of the food: fat, carbohydrate, protein, and vitamin. Come to the next visual. These are the food groups, components of the food, different foods. So you have to eat as per your choice. This is the next visual again, by which you can learn the. So see this. This is the food item, and which you should mark with the pointer. This is the fish, meat, broccoli, fruit, melon, mango, egg, papaya. So my dear students, these are the fruits, and by this visual you will be able to learn so many things, and remaining things that you will be taught in the classroom. And the purpose of this video is just you have to learn the chapter from the different types of the food. So again, have a look on these visuals. So these visuals will provide you the knowledge of the different types of the components of the food, but main components are carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins, and minerals, and water. So my dear students, in this chapter, think about that you are going to eat fat, and you have to check that the fat is available in that particular food or not. So to check it, you have to take the some pieces of the fat on a white paper and come with this white paper containing food into the sunlight. My dear student, after some time you will see that there are some strips of the fat that get deposited at that particular paper, and by this activity you will be able to learn that fat is present in the food. My dear students, so many activities are there that you can learn like this, that is fat is found in oil or not? Yes, fat is found in the oil. Is fat found in the rice or not? Yes, fat is not found in the rice. Is starch is found in the rice or not? Yes, starch is found in the rice. Is starch is found in the potato or not? Yes, starch is found in the potato. So by these practices, by dear student, you will be able to learn so many things. And if you see these visuals, then you will be able to learn a lot of things. So learn it, enjoy it, and Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.